Today, we're going to show you how to import multiple customers into SlabWare at once using an Excel file without having to create each customer one by one. To get started, go to the main menu, click Clients, then Customer, and then select the last option, Import Customers. This is the Import Customers page. Here you'll find the step-by-step instructions to import your customers into the system. It's important to remember that the system allows you to import up to 250 customers per Excel file. Below, you'll find the buttons to download the spreadsheet models, Filled Example and Template. By clicking Filled Example, you can view a spreadsheet that is already filled out. This gives you an example of how to enter the information correctly. By clicking Template, you can download the blank spreadsheet model. This is the file you'll fill out with your customer's information. In the spreadsheet, only the name field shown in red is required. The other fields shown in blue are optional. Now I'll start by entering my customer's name. Remember that all information used in tutorial videos is fictitious, for demonstration purposes only, and has no connection to any real SlabWare customer data. The next field is email. If needed, you can adjust the size of the columns or rows in the spreadsheet to make the information easier to view. Next, we have the sales representative field. Sales representatives are the users registered in your system. Then enter a login and a password so this customer can access your system. After that, you can fill in the phone and mobile fields. Next, enter this customer's address. Then fill in the zip code. In the account field, enter the company name this customer is linked to. We also have a video here on the channel explaining what accounts are and how to register them in the system. Click the card above to learn more. Next, enter the country where this customer is located. Then fill in the state. The last field is status. Statuses are configured in the customer setup area inside the system. In this setup, you can create the statuses you want to use for your customers, such as new customer, active, or enabled. Before importing the spreadsheet, it's important to check the setup area and make sure all required information is already registered correctly in the system. This helps avoid issues during the import process. Since this customer is a new record, I'll choose New Customer from my available status options. Done. We've filled out all the fields. Before moving forward, I'll add 4 more customers so we can see more than one option during the import. Here are all my customers filled out correctly in the spreadsheet. Notice that I used different accounts and locations for each one. However, customers can also share the same location and belong to the same account inside the system. Now you can either rename the file or keep the original template name. After that, save the spreadsheet. Once the file is saved, we can import it. Click Import Excel, select the file from your computer, and then click Import Excel again. In this step, the system will show a review screen. The columns shown in red indicate that there was an issue during the import process, usually because some information in the spreadsheet has not been pre-registered in the system. For example, in the sales representative field, the system could not identify the user entered because that user is not registered in my system. You cannot add a new user directly from this screen, but you can replace it with an existing user. The same applies to the account field. You cannot create a new account from this screen, but you can register it in the system and then come back to complete the import. In users, I added the SlabWare user, so now I can continue importing my customers. I set this user's permission as user, and I can activate or deactivate them at any time. I can also edit their permissions inside the system whenever needed. In List of Accounts, you can see that I already added all the accounts for my customers, so I could update the information correctly. You can also import accounts into the system. It's recommended to do this before importing customers, especially if you want to link each customer to an account. But if you don't want to add an account to the customer right now, just leave that field blank in the spreadsheet before uploading the file. You can also add this information manually later. Done. After refreshing the page, my 5 customers have been added to the system. Now just go back to List of Customers. On this page, you'll see all customers added to the system. After the import, you can also complete the customer profile with additional information that is not available in the import spreadsheet. You can link the customer to an account, add financial information, and include notes for that customer. From here, you can also view and navigate through each customer's drawing projects, access quotes, invoices, events, and jobs. Under Options, you can use the check icon to activate or deactivate this customer in your system. You can also edit the customer by clicking the pencil icon, or delete the customer by clicking the trash icon. In Reports, you can download a report with all registered customers. If you prefer, you can also use the filter to search for a specific customer by name and download a report only for that customer. That's it for today. If you want to see how SlabWare can help you organize and grow your stone business, visit slabware.com and start your free trial today. If you have any questions, our support team is ready to help. Follow the channel, turn on notifications, and don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. See you in the next tutorial, folks!